How to change the clock face style of your Amazfit Active 2 smartwatch. And this is without the need of the app. So you have your Amazfit Active 2 watch here, and you want to switch to one of the already installed clock faces. So while viewing the clock face or the time like this here, simply hold it down like this until you feel a vibration. And now you can simply just swipe over to either the left or the right depending on how many of these clock face styles that you have. And once you find the one that's right for you, just tap on it one time and it will appear like this here. And this is just the simple way to go about doing this. If you already have clock faces installed onto the Amazfit smartwatch, or just use those that are already installed. You can always get some more with the app itself. So if you have the app here and you want to get some more clock face styles there, you can just go into the app itself and get some of those free ones if needed. Like and sub.